To show non-speed sound while using live transcript in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcript and then tap open live transcript. Next, tap setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select more setting. Scroll down the screen. Under event section, tap the gray on off switch next to show sound labels to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on, and along with the speed, live transcript will show you non-speed sound such as human sound like laughing or environmental sound like doorbell or music. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.